What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we have the 2022 Dacia Jogger debut, and it's coming as a kind of a crossover van mashup. Now, taking the shape as a nicely proportioned crossover van mashup, the brand new model will be available in 5 and 7 seat configurations, offering the best price and habitability ratio on the European market. Now, the Jogger name refers to sport nature and positive energy, as Dacia explains, and reflects typical characteristics of a Dacia model: practicality, robustness, and affordability. Now, from the nose to the A-pillar, the Jogger looks exactly like the Sandero stepway, but a little bend right before the rear doors adds about 40 millimeters, 1.57 inches to the height of the car at the back. Now, at 4,055 meters, 179 inches, the Jogger is the longest vehicle in Dacia's current model range and has a cargo volume of 708 liters, 25 cubic feet, in a 5-seat configuration. And you fold down that second row of seats and you'll have a massive 1,819 liter, 64.23 cubic feet of space. Now, additionally, 24 liters, 0.84 cubic feet of stowage space are available throughout the cabin. And if you've been in a modern Dacia, the Jogger's interior won't bring any surprises. It has a familiar layout with a tablet-style infotainment screen on the center console and the 3-round climate controls underneath. Now, the base version will come as standard with a phone holder instead of a touchscreen, turning your smart device into a navigation system. Now, other standard features include automatic headlights and wipers, speed limiter, and steering wheel mounted control buttons. And just like the new Sandero stepway, and the Logan, the Jogger will be available exclusively with a gasoline and LPG engines. So no diesel options in the cards, and the customers can get a new 1-liter 3-cylinder gas engine with 110 horsepower, 81 kilowatts, which at least for now will be the model's most powerful option. Now, the direct inject unit is mounted to a 6-speed manual gearbox, sending power to the front wheels. And there's also a Equal G liquefied petroleum gas engine with a range of about 1,000 kilometers, 621 miles, thanks to the 40-liter LPG tank and another 50-liter gas tank. And at this point, there's no word about optional automatic transmissions, but believe that Dacia will further explain the Jogger's engine and gearbox range later during its life cycle. But with that said, what do you think about the Jogger so far? And if you would get it, would you get it in a 5-seat or 7-seat configuration? Let me know down in the comments below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the 2022 Dacia Jogger debut. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below, where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate the love and support. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch. If you want long sleeve shirts, hoodies, tank tops, t-shirts, everything Ron's Rise is there. I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. So everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos, that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one news video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise news video. Peace.